Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a class schedule on Google Sheets. So you can use a blank spreadsheet, but there's already like a schedule worksheet that you can use. So here you can kind of change the date. So for instance, well, I'm not going to even go that far. Oh, let's just go to today. So week of February 10. So I'm going to have it up till like 2:45. You know what? So I'm going to type in, for instance, like history, and then math, and then snack time. I don't know like when like time is, like I don't even remember. And then here English. Then it's like lunch. And then science, I don't know. And then one more, like French, I don't know. And then you can like kind of color code them as well here. So history, then math, then English. Science is obviously green. Oh wait, English is yellow, math is green. Well, I don't remember anymore. I'm just gonna color code them, and you're just going to do that for everything. You're just going to obviously put snack time as the same for the rest of the week, and then you're just going to basically randomly, well, not randomly, add that to your schedule like this. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.